Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by rigging a simple spinning setup and adopting a stable stance. This sets everything that follows. Thread the line, attach the lure or bait, and open the bail. Hold the rod at about 45 degrees toward your target, pinch the line with your index finger, and step forward with your opposite foot. This alignment stores energy in the rod. Once done, keep your eyes on the target, feel the rod load, and prepare to execute a smooth forward cast. You now perform the core motion, a compact backswing, not a flail, to load the blank. This creates the stored energy you need. Accelerate smoothly forward with your elbow and wrist, timing the release so the lure departs when the rod tip briefly points at the target. Make sure to open the reel bail before casting and close it after the lure lands. Once done, follow through low and soft to keep the line tight and the trajectory flat for accurate placement. You finish by closing the bail, taking up slack, and being ready to set the hook the moment you feel a bite. A firm wrist snap transfers hook into the fish. Retrieve with steady pressure and short pumps to control and tire the fish before landing. If something goes wrong, like a tangle or short casts, stop and inspect the spool and knot, reduce lure weight, or shorten your cast motion. This troubleshooting keeps practice efficient and prevents repeated errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.